There are 5 major oceans, each with unique characteristics. 1. Pacific Ocean. Location: bounded by Asia and Australia to the west, and the Americas to the east. Size: largest ocean, covering about 63 million square miles, 165 million square kilometers. Depth: deepest ocean, with the Mariana Trench as the deepest part, at about 36,000 feet, 11,000 meters. Features: contains many volcanic islands, extensive coral reefs, and diverse marine life. 2. Atlantic Ocean. Location: bounded by the Americas to the west, and Europe and Africa to the east. Size: second largest ocean, covering about 41 million square miles, 106 million square kilometers. Depth: average depth of about 12,000 feet, 3,660 meters, with the Puerto Rico Trench as the deepest point.